my name is Jérémy Decouchant. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about practical Byzantine reliable broadcast on partially connected networks. This is joint work with Silvia Bonomi, Giovanni Farina, Vincent Rally, and Sébastien Tixel. Byzantine reliable broadcast is an important building block for several applications, including online payments, cache synchronization in cloud services, publish-subscribe systems, and state machine replication. The problem we consider is how to enforce BRB on partially connected and asynchronous networks. And we provide a lighter protocol in the global fault model. More precisely, our settings are the following. We consider a set of n processes with unique IDs, and f of those processes might be faulty. The network is static, unknown, and at least 2f+1 connected. We assume perfect authenticated channels, and a process knows its ID and the IDs of its neighbors. We also consider the problem of repeatable broadcast. Therefore, a payload is identified with a sending process ID and a counter. Several seminal algorithms need to be used to solve this problem, and they can be characterized based on the network connectivity assumption and whether or not the dealer needs to be correct. The first algorithm provides reliable communication, and it was described by Dolev. This protocol assumes that the network is 2f+1 connected and that the dealer is honest. Using this protocol, if a correct process sends a message or broadcasts a message, all other processes in the system will be able to deliver it and check its authenticity. The second important protocol is the Byzantine reliable broadcast algorithm by Brasha, and it assumes a fully connected network, and the dealer can be Byzantine. In this work, we want to provide the Byzantine reliable broadcast abstraction in a network that can be 2f+1 connected and where the dealer can be Byzantine. The solution consists in combining Brasha and Dolev's algorithm. More precisely, Dolev's algorithm is providing the illusion that all processes are connected to each other to Brasha's algorithm. The state-of-the-art, the most efficient known solution, is to combine Brasha's algorithm with an optimized version of Dolev's algorithm, which was described in 2019. So here let's see an illustration of Brasha's algorithm first. We see 4 processes, and process P0 is broadcasting a message. It sends a send message with the payload to all other processes. Upon delivering this send, all other processes send an echo message to all other processes. And upon delivering 2f+1 echo messages, a process can send a ready to all other processes. And finally, upon delivering 2f+1 ready messages, a process can deliver the payload to the application that is using Byzantine reliable broadcast. So when we combine Brasha's algorithm with Dolev's algorithm, we have to see how Dolev works. And here I'm just going to talk about the basic Dolev algorithm, not the optimized version, which is described in the paper. So first, using Dolev's algorithm, the dealer is sending a message with an empty path to all its neighbors. Then messages are retransmitted from neighbor to neighbors in the topology. So here process Pj is sending a message with a given path to its neighbor Pk, and Pk, when receiving this message, is going to forward it to all its neighbors that are not included in this path and that are not Pj. It is also going to update the path that it is retransmitting by including Pj. So processes will deliver this payload M if they receive f+1 disjoint paths that connect them to the initial dealer, the initial sender of that particular message. So our approach consists in implementing those two protocols in a cross-layer manner. And we describe 12 modifications that improve latency and/or throughput. Each of these modifications is preserving the BRB properties, and we describe the proofs in the paper. So I will quickly go over those modifications and give the main ideas behind them. So for Brasha's algorithm, we leverage asynchrony a bit more than what was known until now to avoid sending sub-messages. We also describe an over-provisioning optimization, which can be used when there are more than 3F+1 processes in the system. For DOLEF, we describe how to ignore superpaths of a known path and not to forward sub-messages. We also limit the number of times a payload has to be transmitted on a given link between two neighbors. For the cross-layer implementation, we describe how sent messages can become single hop and describe an echo amplification modification that becomes necessary. We also combine messages during phase transitions, during the send to echo and the echo to ready transitions. We finally optimize the format of the messages to reduce the number of bits transmitted. So let's see one optimization in particular. Here in this example, process 0 is sending a send message to all its neighbors. These neighbors immediately deliver the send message and generate an echo, their echo message that they send to all other processes. Upon receiving F+1 echo messages and delivering them, process 5, for example here, moves to the echo and is going to send its own echo in the protocol. We evaluated this code using the Omnet++ network simulator. The code is available online, and we used regular random graphs. I'm going to give some numbers here for n equals 31, f equals 4, and a 16-byte payload. So we managed to optimize both the number of transmitted bits and the latency, and we obtained that the number of transmitted bits can be decreased by 25% and the latency by 20%. It's also possible to go further and to reduce the number of transmitted bits by 50%, but in that case the latency is sometimes increased by up to 150%. Thank you for your attention. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.